has made the longest walk in football. Oh no! Just too high. Keeper was beaten, but his crossbar came to his rescue. Missed it. Never ever looked comfortable from the moment he stepped up to take that. He's missed it! The keeper didn't have to do a thing. It's up to Scott Parker next. Oh, he stopped it! Top-class goalkeeping. Oh, the pressure! He missed by miles! Looks like he's got the weight of the world on his shoulders, doesn't he? Tense moment. Oh, hit the crossbar. Just leant back a little, I think. Fatal. Oh no, all a bit too much for him, all a bit of an ordeal. He has got a rather nervous look about him, to be expected though. Hit the bar, oh no, didn't quite get over it, oh dear. Oh, the Nuer's gone for a terrible penalty. So, match point. They are one good penalty kick away from winning this. No pressure. Yes! That will do it. That decides it. They've won the shootout. It's been exciting. Penalty shootouts always are. Hope you enjoyed it. We have. See you next time.